Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use a page such as ESLlab.com. As you can see here, the address that you need to write is www.esllab-lab.com, and it will take you to this page called Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab. In this page, what I most like is that you have a lot of listening exercises classified into different levels. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to choose a listening that I will use later with my students, and the title is Shopping for the Day. It's an easy listening, as you can see from the level. I'll click here. Shopping for the day, level easy, topic shopping, type conversation. There are two speakers, a man and a girl, and it's fairly short. It's only 1 minute 10 seconds. The first part of the activity is a pre-listening exercise. There is a question that you can ask your students, to start with some discussion in the classroom, and it can work as a warm-up activity. Shopping online at a local department stores is an activity many people enjoy. How often do you go shopping for the following items, and where do you buy them? Clothing, gifts for friends and family, music, DVD movies, electronics. So as I said before, this is the question that you can ask your students to introduce the topic of shopping if you need to. After having done this, you have the listening exercise. It says listen to the conversation by pressing the play button and answer the questions. Press the final score button to check your quiz. So if you press play.
Hi, young lady. How may I help you?
Well, yeah, I'm looking for a Father's Day gift.
Okay. How about...
The listening starts to play, and then the students can choose the option that they think is the correct. All the exercises are multiple choice questions. So what is the girl shopping for? A present for her father. How much is the black wallet? You choose an option. Why doesn't the girl like the brown wallet? I'll choose another question. How much money? $4. What does the girl decide to buy? A tie. And then, as it said before, if you press the final score button, it will tell you your score. As you can see here, I got 80% of the questions correct, and they give you the correct answers in case you want to check or listen to it again. Another exercise, or something that students can do after having done this exercise, is going to this option where it says quiz script, where they can listen to the recording again while they read the transcript. A third option is, which I find quite interesting too, is the text completion quiz, where the students listen to the recording and complete the gaps. Hi, young lady, for example. Well, yeah, I'm looking. While they're listening, and then they can check how many they got correct. As you can see, I got only 29% of the quiz correct, because I've only introduced 2 of the questions. After this, the students can do post-listening exercises. As you can see here, with a partner, decide on a particular item you want to buy, like a camera, computer, or book. Then use the internet and try to find the buy that considers price, shipping costs, return policy, and time for delivery. So these are exercises that the students can do. They can practice reading in English, by looking at the different costs, return policies and time for delivery, so they get used to using English for something that they will find useful in the future. And finally, you have online investigations, also an activity that the students can do to practice their English. And well, that's all. As you can see, you have plenty of exercises, topics, and 3 levels that the students can choose from and that you yourself can choose from to use these exercises in the classroom for the students to practice their listening skills. And that's all. Thank you very much for listening to me.